It's Christmas time, and what does that mean? AMS Landscaping is offering a Black Friday offer. That's right. 4 tons of rock for $795, normally a $1,000 value. This is a great package if you need to spruce up the rocks at your house. If you need to add much more rock, if you have areas that need rock, this is a great time to do it. Basically 20% off the entire rock install at your home. So if this is something you've been pushing off, now's the time to jump on it because this offer is limited time. So make sure you reach out to us here at azlawns.com. Company's AMS Landscaping. You can just reach out to us, ask us to get you a free estimate. We'll go out there and measure it, make sure you're getting the proper amount of rock. If you know you just need a few tons, we can just order the rock, make sure it's matched to look exactly like the rock at your house, and add it if we need to blend it a little bit. And make sure you just, feel free to ask all the questions you need answered. It's a great time of year to do this. This is also a great package if you want to offer it to a family member or a friend. Great time of the year to do it. So feel free to reach out to us here at AMS Landscaping. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping, and check out our Instagram and Twitter pages at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.